This should be good. In order for the mountain to cast that shadow on the clouds above it, the sun had to be coming from an angle or an altitude lower than the peak of the mountain. This is not something that really needs to be explained most of the time. It's rather self-evident.
What is self-evident, Bob, is that you clearly do not understand your own model. Your model has parallel sun rays coming in from 93 million miles away. So when you made the statement that in order for the sun to cast a shadow of the mountain onto the bottom of clouds, it would have to be coming from a lower altitude, you clearly demonstrated your lack of understanding. I think you're too busy trying to disprove flat Earth than taking the time to look at the details, Bob. If you understood parallel light rays, you'd understand that's how the Eratosthenes experiment is explained. That 500 miles or 800 kilometers away from Alexandria to Syene, the ground changes angle in your model, not the sun rays. So Wikipedia says anything on the horizon that includes the sun is between 0 and 90 degrees. So let me break that down. If I was at the bottom of the mountain and I put a board behind me, that sun that's sitting on the horizon in your example would cast a shadow on that board behind me, either parallel or pointing down 1 degree. And if I went up 500 miles and put a board behind me, it would be parallel or pointing down 1 degree.
The clouds, they are clearly lit underneath. And if you look at the top surface of those clouds, they're in darkness.
This is more proof for a flat Earth, Bob. This can't work on your model. You need to take the time and look at the details. Look, the sun is half a degree in angular size. So at the very least, a sun sitting on the horizon is going to cast a downward shadow about half a degree, which is damn near parallel, but it can't cast a shadow upward. Now you see in these examples, the sun is a few sun widths. So these examples of the sun are, between 1 and 3 or 4 degrees above the horizon. That is impossible on a globe. You need to study parallel lines, Bob. It's an impossibility on a globe. In your model, you have to travel 1,600,000 miles to get an angle change of 1 degree. So what seems like a great globe proof, upon further examination, is a globe fatality. Thank you.